Louisiana, it's time for you to come to the front of the class and get educated on your representative, MAGA Mike Johnson, who just happens to be the Speaker of the House, and he's also on the ballot. In a newly leaked video, MAGA Mike Johnson admitted that he and Frumpy Dump's secret plan is to take a blowtorch, his words, not mine, to the Affordable Care Act and regulations. And guess what? This may directly affect you because in 2023, over 120,000 Louisianians selected a health care plan using the Affordable Care Act marketplace. Also, Louisiana is one of the 37 states that has expanded Medicaid coverage under the Affordable Care Act. So if you or any of your family members or friends receive Medicaid using that expanded Medicaid program, baby, it's going to be gone because they're trying to get rid of the Affordable Care Act. Now, we all know Republicans like MAGA Mike Johnson, Frumpy Dump, Jim Jordan, Rancid Red Paul, all of them have been talking about getting rid of the Affordable Care Act for quite some time. Hell, they tried and it did not go through. They don't give a hill of beans about the people who have pre-existing conditions that are covered under the Affordable Care Act. They don't care about these students that are in college that are covered under their parents' health care until they're 26 years old. They don't care anything about that. What they care about is padding their pockets from these insurance companies that are going to benefit when the Affordable Care Act is overturned. In Louisiana alone, over 1 million residents receive health care coverage through Medicaid, most of whom are children under the age of 19. Using the Medicaid expansion in Louisiana that is covered under the Affordable Care Act has resulted in the number of uninsured in Louisiana to fall by more than 50%. But MAGA Mike Johnson is smiling with glee as he discusses taking a blowtorch to the affordable health care of millions of Americans. Make it make sense because it doesn't.
There's a lot of talk. I mean, healthcare reform is going to be a big part of the agenda. When I say we're going to have a very aggressive first 100 days agenda, we got a lot of things still on the table. But healthcare, that's part. It's the secret. It's the secret. Healthcare reform is not a secret. There's some really important ideas on the table, and we have a docs caucus, the physicians who serve in the House, and they've got a menu of options about this thick. And I think this is part of it because if you take government bureaucrats out of the healthcare equation and you have doctor-patient relations, it's better for everybody, more efficient, more effective. That's the free market. Trump's going to be for the free market. You heard a little sample of that last night. We want to take a blowtorch to the regulatory state, okay?
But this is the secret plan, honey, to take a blowtorch to the health care of millions of Americans, and they have presented you with absolutely no plan when it comes down to health care. Nothing. Zero. Zilch. Kaput. Nothing. Is this what you want? MAGA Mike Johnson is on the ballot. Louisianians, do what you got to do. Frumpy Dump is on the ballot. Do we want our health care in his hands? I don't think so. Players, put your thoughts in the comments. This is Double D Mo for the Black Accurate News.